This is John with WTI, and this is the Arm& Hammer Extra Strong Carpet Deodorizer. And what I like about this is just not. I have a dog. My little dog Noah. He's right below me. He sometimes is gonna drop some hair, and the odor for me to try to keep my surroundings clean is really important. And using this, and obviously staying away from him, I try to keep my surroundings. And this actually has a great scent. It's a nice scent that is fresh and is extra strong, so it's gonna battle with these odors that could happen. I don't use this only for the cleaning of the carpet. I use this for the cleaning around it, as this has a baking soda. It's really efficient. It's really strong for any other cleaning purposes that I would use it for my home. So I would use this even for mopping or just like cleaning surfaces, and it just works wonders. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.